we have some success story in the beginning. Okay, so now let's go with our session. Blaze new trail in your career and explore Salesforce certifications. So you will learn more about how can you blaze your new trails, means how can you find your successful career and how can you be a certified professionals. And if you are already a certified professionals, then how can you go ahead with the next certifications. So I would like to welcome Raj C. Chaudhary, and we already have done with the basic introduction. Sage from Salesforce Developer Group Bangalore, and one of the brightest students from East Point College of Engineering and Technology, Salesforce student ambassadors. So hello Rajshri, welcome to the group, and yeah, now it's all about please share your screen and go ahead with the session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Om sir.
Thank you.
So you guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see the screen. Awesome.
So hi everyone, as I've already been introduced by Om sir, but I would like to start again with my introduction. So hi, I'm Rajshri Chaudhary, Salesforce Student Ambassador at Salesforce Developer Group Bangalore, and I'm a final year BE student at East Point College of Engineering and Technology. So I started learning Salesforce last year in August. So like on one fine day, one of our teachers, she came and she told us that there's an event, a Salesforce event tomorrow. So I thought, okay, events start at 9 in the morning and classes, like our usual classes starts at 8:15 in the morning. So, I will get some extra like 10 to 15 minutes to sleep in the morning. So I thought, okay, I will go for this event. But I never knew that like the thing or the event I'm taking so casually would like completely change my life. Like that event is a life-changing event for me. So on that day of event, Kishore BT and Siri Gauri had come to our college. So Kishore BT, he came and Kishore spoke about what Salesforce is. And Siri, she spoke about what Trailhead is. And she also taught us how to develop an app. And on that day, I developed my very first app. And I cannot put in words how happy I was. And at the same time, I was surprised, like, yeah, even I can do something. So after that event, after a few days of that event, our principal sir, Dr. Prakash sir, he collaborated with Kumar Murli sir. Kumar Murli sir is a super amazing Salesforce trainer. He took 5 days hands-on session for us. And on the very fifth day of that session, like during the session, I earned many badges, learned Trailhead, like achhe se, like I earned completely. And on the very fifth day of that hands-on session, I earned my very first super badge, which is a business administration specialist super badge. And in that day, I realized like I can do something in technology too. Before Salesforce, I was hopeless, clueless. Like I had even made my mind that after I'm like done with my BE degree, I will not make my career in technology. Like no, technology is not for me. I don't belong here. Like I had made my mind that after my BE degree, I will either go for law or I will go for mass media communication. Like the only goal I was living for at that time was to clear my BE degree with no backlogs. Like it was like the only goal I was living for at that time. But after Salesforce gave me a platform, like a platform where I feel like, yeah, I belong here. Yeah, even I can work here. Even I can do something in technology. Like Salesforce gave me path. Like it shaped my career. Now I know what to do and what not to do. And I cannot thank enough for all this to my college, to my principal sir. Like it would have been completely impossible. He brought Salesforce to our college. He contacted Kishore. So I cannot thank enough to our teachers, Rashmi ma'am and Tina ma'am. They work hard every day, make reports, which student is doing what, and they conduct events. I cannot thank enough them. And I cannot thank enough Kishore. Kishore is our mentor. Like Kishore is just a call and a text away. We ask him anything and he's always ready to help. these people, I can surely say that these people have shaped my life, has shaped my career. And like, yeah, this is my Salesforce journey that has been till now. And I can surely say that Salesforce is the so far the only good thing that has happened in my engineering life. So yeah, this is my Salesforce journey. So now we'll talk about my today's topic, which is blaze new trail in your career. So before talking about the agenda will go like this. First, we'll discover the career in clouds, and then we will talk about the Salesforce certification, which you can go for. So before talking about what are the Salesforce opportunity in there, the very first question comes to everyone's mind is what is Salesforce? So if we talk about Salesforce term in general, so Salesforce means two things. The first thing is Salesforce is a company which provides cloud-based solution to the other businesses. And second thing, it's an application as well, like which is hosted on a Lightning platform. So this application is powerful enough to handle all kind of business needs. So it doesn't matter whether your business is a sales or service or marketing. It can handle your business and can match your business need and can give you the cloud-based solution. So cloud-based solutions, I mean that you do not need to own any infrastructure. You do not need your own security team. You do not even need to install any kind of software. Like it's all being given by Salesforce. That means Salesforce will give you like their own infrastructure, their own security standards, and their own network to run your business. Now, there are these few benefits of using cloud, such as Salesforce. So first is talking about cheaper, like it's being cheaper. So using a cloud computing platform, something like Salesforce, you won't be spending on hard metal or separate infrastructure. It like you'll be using cloud, saving a lot of money and resources and a lot of space, and mostly you'll be dealing with less problems. Like you only need to get your software up and running, and there won't be any problem of setting up the infrastructure and all. So this is like say it's cheaper. Now talking about scalable, so say this cloud is using cloud is more scalable than we are doing things on our premises today. Like for example, if you have a company and you have 2 servers today, so and you want to scale up and you want to have 25 servers. Now you need to buy the infrastructure, buy the resources, and get all this set up. But if we are going for cloud platform, it is all ready. Basically, server resources are ready, and we can scale up overnight. So there's no all that problem and all. So now we're talking about collaboration. They enable team collaboration. First of all, there is a decentralized model of working. Like you are not restricted to work only from office. Since apps are not on local server, they are on remote servers. And since things are decentralized, we can collaborate with the friends very easily in a very good manner, and especially for developers. And fourth and the most important, it's completely hassle-free, no extra setup and all. Like whatever you want to avail is just a payment away. Now if we see Salesforce is a B2B business model. Like by that, it means that it is being used by other businesses. That means that there are other organizations who uses Salesforce to run their businesses. It includes Google, Facebook, Apple, Walmart, Mail, Adidas, McDonald's, Starbucks, like the brand it is powered by Salesforce. Like there are many other brands than these. And these are the few Indian brands which are using Salesforce. Like they handle their day-to-day requirements in Salesforce. That includes generating new leads, providing support to their own product, running their marketing campaign, and all other stuff. Now the question is, how they are using these Salesforce services. Salesforce follows subscription model. That means you need to subscribe to the Salesforce services in order to use it. There are a lot of licenses which provide different functionality for the different business purposes. You purchase only those which are like helpful or required for your business. Now this is all what Salesforce is. Now we are talking about Salesforce application. So Salesforce application is a highly customizable application, which you can customize like just by point and click to suit your business need. By that means like you can create certain task or workflow process builder within Salesforce. Like you can message your users, set up a security model just by point and click. You do not need any kind of code to do this stuff. But at the same time, there are some scenarios where like business has some unique requirements, some complex requirement, which cannot be done just by point and click. To handle like those requirements, we implement programmatic solutions in Salesforce as well. So to implement those programmatic solution, this Apex. Apex is a server-side language which you can use to interact with Salesforce backend and also to customize or to fulfill your complex business requirements. It is very similar to Java technology and it is even more easy and fun to learn than Java. Now, talking about UI, Salesforce uses Visual Force page or the Lightning component to create the UI as per your business needs. So this is all what Salesforce is as an organization, providing cloud-based solution to the other businesses and Salesforce as an application. Now we'll talk about what are the opportunities in Salesforce. Before talking about what are the opportunities in Salesforce, we'll see the roles in job roles in Salesforce. So there are majorly 4 job roles in Salesforce: Salesforce admin, Salesforce architect, Salesforce developer, and Salesforce consultant. So first we'll go with Salesforce administrator. Salesforce administrator is someone who knows Salesforce point and click method. Like they know how to modify existing application, how to handle user supervising, how to create point and click solution like workflow, process builder, approval process. Like someone who uses point and click method to solve your business need. So this is what a Salesforce admin is and what the admin does. Now we'll talk about Salesforce developer. So before, like Salesforce developers are those people who love coding, who work on coding. So like Salesforce developer is highly popular in India. Like for Salesforce developer, the job market in 2020 is still basically in phase 1 job market. Demand is at its peak and supply is not catching up. So hurry up, guys. And who is a Salesforce developer? So Salesforce developer is someone who can leverage Apex or maybe Visual Force and Lightning component to code in Salesforce to meet your complex business requirement. So they have to do coding in a to deliver your business solution. So admin is someone who uses like drag and drop, and the developers are those who code to deliver your business solution. Now we'll talk about Salesforce consultant. So consultant is someone who knows about Salesforce application, one who knows what kind of business requirement can be fulfilled by providing what kind of solution. Like if I have any requirement, then I should know whether it can be done by point and click or coding. So this is what a consultant does. And now the most interesting, Salesforce architect. So Salesforce architects are the senior job roles because they are someone with a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge. So someone like who will help you to design your business solution. So if you're like migrating your in-house application to Salesforce, so you need a Salesforce architect to design the solution for you so that your application in Salesforce is scalable and it's like more robust. For this, you should have like depth knowledge of Salesforce and you should know Salesforce platform really very well. Other than these, we have other more roles like business analyst, sales careers, service careers, and marketing careers. So these are the few roles in Salesforce. Now talking about career opportunity in Salesforce technology. Salesforce technology is one of the most popular technology nowadays. It has a brightest future. Like it is not only a CRM anymore. Like before, Salesforce was famous for its CRM. But today, it is a lot more than just a CRM. It has all different clouds to meet all kind of business needs, such as health cloud, commerce cloud, integration cloud, sales, service, analytics, market, and all other stuff. Like everything is there in Salesforce, and Salesforce is powerful enough to end up all those business needs. So job opportunity in Salesforce is getting increased day by day. If you see here also, by 2025, we have 4.2 million jobs, new jobs coming into Salesforce. So hurry up, guys. It's still not late. Now we'll talk about Salesforce certification. So before talking about what are the credentials are there, we'll talk about why should you go for certifications. So guys, certifications give you credibility to your Salesforce knowledge and expertise. So these are like the few Salesforce credentials which you can go for. They're like administrator, app builder, architect, implementation expert, marketers, Padot expert, and platform developer. So these credentials, we can group them in two tracks, like an administrator track and other one is a developer track. So there's administrator, implementation expert, and marketers. They come under the admin track. And the app builder, architect, and the platform developer, they come under the developer track. And the architect which you are seeing here, no, this is a higher level of platform developer. Like both the admin track and the developer track have a basic level certification, and then after the basic level certification you can go for the higher level certifications. Like if you see in admin, the administrator certification, this is your basic level certification. Only after you are done with admin status certification, then you can go for sales cloud consultant certificate, marketing cloud consultant certificate, marketing cloud email specialist, marketing cloud social specialist. By that I mean is like first you should like only if you are done with your basic level certification, then only you can go for the higher level certification. Similarly, in the developer group, the app builder and the PD1 certification, which is a platform developer 1 certification, these are your basic level certification. And after you're done with these certification, then only you can go for like either the architect certification and PD2 certification. And if you're like done app builder certification, the app builder certification indicates that you can develop and build an app from scratch using drag and drop. You can go for app builder certification. Then like by using drag and drop, you can develop apps. And PD1, it shows that you are developing using complex coding for Visualforce and Apex rules. So these are the few credentials, and even there are even more credentials, but these are the few we students can go for. Now, how we students can do credentials? There are many quests on Trailhead and there are many events happening around you where you can win the certification vouchers. And then you can apply for the certificates and study and give the certification exam. Like in today's event also, we have a certification voucher. So do your best, win the certification voucher, like prepare for it, study hard, and give your certification exams honestly and be certified. Matlab, become certified as soon as possible and also at your best possible time. So this is all from my side. At the end, I would like to thank Trailblazer Community Motihari and Om Prakash sir for giving me this opportunity. On your birthday, you're giving me this gift to do a good deed. Thank you very much, sir. Like from this community, Salesforce community, I've learned the best thing, one of the best thing to give back to the community. Yeah, so sir, I'm blessed enough that you gave me this opportunity to give back to the community for whatever I know. Thanks a lot, sir. And thank you all for listening to me. This is all from my side.
Thank you very much, Rajshri, for having with this session. And I'm sure it will be very helpful for especially beginners and future courses.